Okay, today we are making chow mein noodles with vegetables and soy sauce. You can use really whatever vegetables you have on hand. I'm gonna rinse and cut up some celery, some baby carrots, some green onion, and some red bell pepper for this. And I'm going to put some vegetable broth in this frying pan. Add my vegetables and steam or simmer them for about 15-20 minutes until they soften. I'm going to add some minced garlic in here as well. While the vegetables are gently steaming here, I'll go and get the water started for the noodles. Now I'm going to add my green onions to the vegetables. Let that continue to steam. My water is now boiling for the noodles. I'm going to put the chow mein noodles in. These cook quickly. Follow the directions on the package. Cook boils for about 3 minutes. Once they're done boiling, we'll go ahead and dump it out in a colander and run some cold water over them to get them to stop cooking so they don't get too mushy and overcooked. Now we're ready to serve our dish. Put some of the chow mein noodles in a bowl. And then we'll go ahead and add some vegetables and soy sauce to our bowl. And I'm also going to add a couple of baby spinach leaves as well. And dinner's ready. I hope this short video helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.